Hi, my name is Raj. I'm going to unbox this Narzo 30 Pro 5G by realme. Do check it out. Let us see what's inside the box. Here comes the Mac case and manual. We'll keep it aside. And yes, here comes the MediaTek Narzo 30 Pro. Okay. Here's the phone. The box contains a charger. It shows as dot charging. So the charging cable. Let us switch on the phone. Realme, powered by Android. This is the most affordable 5G phone available in the market in this price segment. The phone comes with a 48MP AA triple camera. Coming to the front camera, it comes with a 16MP in-display punch-hole selfie camera. Narzo 30 comes with a 120Hz ultra-smooth display. The phone contains side fingerprint sensor. At the bottom of the phone, it contains 3.5mm headphone jack, Type-C charging port and speaker grill. And let us check about the phone configuration. The device name is Narzo 30 Pro 5G. The Realme UI version is version 1.0. Android version is Android 10. Processor is Dimensity 800U octa-core processor. RAM is 6GB. Coming to the best part of this phone, the camera. Here comes the options in the camera: the night mode, video, photo, portrait, 48MP camera, and in the mode you can find movie, time lapse, ultra macro, X scanner, slow motion, expert, and panorama. Coming to the video mode, you can see it is ultra steady mode, and here you can see the filters. And in the settings, you can take up to 4K videos using the back camera, and in the front camera you can take up to 1080p. Coming to the slow motion video, you can capture up to 240 frames per second. Let me capture a few pictures using the superb camera of Narzo 30. Here are the pictures captured using realme. Narzo 30 Pro comes with a Dolby Atmos sound. The display is too good and the sound is pretty loud.
Ah,